Do you love whoops? This next sponsor does. GameHat Aerial. GameHat loves whoops. He makes custom whoops of all kinds. And check out these cases. These are the pocket docks. He makes several sizes and versions, but for 65 millimeter, he's got the pocket dock fat and the pocket dock light. They're like 10 bucks. The pocket dock 75 is for your bigger frames, but they're cool as hell, man. It's got place for your quad to go in there. 6 little battery slots. The top's made out of TPU. It's flexible. The bottom's made out of hard plastic. It's nice and stiff and strong, and it's got a lifetime warranty. If you ever break one, he'll replace it for you. You just pay the shipping costs. He's donated a whole bunch of them for Sloss Drone Derby, including 8 sets of props. Check him out. I even love the little hat logo. It's dope. GameHat Aerial, and he's at gamehat-aerial.com. Thanks so much for donating, bud. We really appreciate you. And then get your tickets for Sloss Drone Derby. There's slossdronederby.org. It's happening April 4th and 5th in Birmingham, Alabama.